Kawai kamarti van ka bapanan ka manit bu li chaw school ya ki Khynnah ka Maryland Secondary School Maulin Harry Boy District kala Shah Tynrah ha kawai kamarti car 800 ha kanok phais ngi jong arpunyo tarik risau arja arpulai kumba ka por lai baji ye ha Umsawkhwan. Kani kamarti van kapadonyo registration number AS Not Way Sau G Prakhandai Not Khandai kadang kit prangot ki Khynnah bat thmu ban lit bu ya ki sha Umsaw lum. La ong bakini ki Khynnah school ki Mynsaw Malu mala bat unong nya pat ula khamjur. Kibio i kate ke jingjak ya thu ba kate kamarti car ka ba amsam la banyo i registration number kala Tynrah ba dan ya kamarti van ka bakit yang kini ki Khynnah school bat pet krat na kate ke jaka.
Ladan hatai da jong ndre ngam tebra ka bangun terak nadin ru ngam labra yang tang kali ngam tai ba ndre ka marsin terak tang ngam sungong ba katai
kan ngod Khynnah school kita nang ni
rangun
oh jadi ke bahasa asli
bahasa ni aku Mynsaw lum
dengan Shah school iki man kasih Shah school
oh Mynsaw school mak sini
lagi Khynnah school kita ko la Mynsaw nam no
la dan ni ba
inde ba Mynsaw jur nam no
la dan ni ba lang Mynsaw lapang dia kata tam matep sura
kimi iu to kali mo
yang mi irba kata
Andy, your wife has been sitting there. She has been ready for a while now. Go for the test.
I'm already watching the test, Mom.
Son, it is important to take this test at the earliest.
Mom, why do we need to rush? What will happen even if we're late to take the test?
Look, son. You see, that is why it is important to reach on time. Go.
Within the first 3 months of pregnancy, it is important for the mother to get tested for HIV in order to prevent the baby from getting infected with HIV, so that the mother and the baby can live a healthy and long life.
Earlier the checkup.
Healthy life confirmed.
Get yourself tested for HIV during your first pregnancy checkup.